Hello guys, welcome to our channel All-in-One Life. Today I'm gonna show you how can you edit your Cisco WebEx ID or your name actually, or you want to edit something else on your ID. So today I will be showing you both on my PC and your mobile. Both I will be showing you. So let's begin. For first, like I am showing you, like see Cisco WebEx. I have actually edited. You can see my name like D36 Ayush Sharma. Okay. Now, how have I edited it? I just went to Chrome, did nothing. It's very simple. Then just type in signin.webex.com. Okay, guys. When you just sign in, this page will appear like globalpageprod.webex.com. This page, and this will ask you to sign in. You should sign in from here. I am just providing, and I'm just showing you that how can you. Okay, and I am just signing in. See I have just signed in, and you can see that my name and my photo has came. Okay, now what to do? Now how to edit from here? Now you can just see the mouse pointer here. See, you can see my profile. Just click on my profile. After clicking on my profile, you can edit your profile. Means you can see edit my profile. And see, from here you can change your name, you can change your password, you can change your last name, you can change your profile picture also. You can do anything from, means you can edit your profile anything from you want. After changing, you can just click on save. And that's done. You can access me, and now you can see that WebEx is currently running, means with this name. I have changed this name, and WebEx is currently running. Now this is a bit long method, you may think it. Now how to make this a very short method? See, my WebEx is open here. Now I want to join a meeting with D30, means I now want to join with Ayush Sharma only. I want to remove D36. Now what to do? I'm just providing with the ID. Sorry, not this ID. Really sorry for this ID. Okay. Just see, a recent personal room is there. I'm just connecting to it. Okay, now I want to enter in this meeting. Actually, this meeting does not show. Means if the meeting is starting, then you can show. Like, wait, I am just trying it out. Just a second. Yes, see. Here it is coming. You can see that, see here, click to update your display name or email address. From here, you just click remove this Ayush Sharma. Then next, see, now you will be editing. But no, I want to join with D36 Ayush Sharma. Next, just see, and then you join the meeting, and perfect. Now then you can do. Now what to do? Now the main reason comes here, that now how can I do it from my mobile? Just I'm opening the whiteboard for your help. Mobile is more easy. Mobile is actually a little not complicated, I can say, but okay, you can do it. It is this one. Okay, I'm just creating a new whiteboard and then selecting a pen. Now what to do is, you have to go to your browser. Suppose you go to browser Chrome. Now from that you can see three dots like this, either like this or it will be like this. I don't remember exactly. Just click on this. Just click on these three dots. Now you may see that a drop box will open, and just little bit you will see a option coming, desktop, actually wait, desktop site. It will come. Okay, Just it supports in some phones which are new ones, means Android Nougat or Oreo, Android 8, mainly Android 7 or 8, not lower than that. Just you click, it will support actually Android 5 also, but device to device actually matters. Just select the desktop site, and then the same procedure. Now what to do? Just in the search bar, just you search signin dot webex. I will be providing this URL in this info, and then you write your, after that what to do, then write your email address, and then you sign in with your pass, and then just you go to your profile and edit. Simple. This I have created because many students face problem in changing their ID and changing their name, changing their profile. So this is the best method you can do. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Very much thank you for watching this video patiently.